Breaking news coming in at this point. After much protest, the Telangana High Court has stayed all work on the Kancha Gachibowli land Telangana cuisine. The PIL bench of the Telangana High Court. It had taken up hearing of the case pertaining to the proposed act of the state government in putting up 400 acres at the Kancha Gachibowli in Serilingampalli Mandal for auction through the Telangana Industrial Infrastructure Corporation. The PIL bench of the Telangana High Court, comprising the acting Chief Justice Sujoy Paul and Justice Renuka Ayyara, on Wednesday issued the directives against staying all the work, including the felling of trees or any other action on the disputed land. And my colleague Uma Sudhir joins us to take us through the latest. Uma, can you provide us with the details on the Telangana High Court stay order?
So the Telangana High Court has asked the state government to pause all the kind of tree felling activity by the deployment of JCBs at the Kancha Gachibowli land till tomorrow. The court was in fact hearing a petition and has slated the matter for the 3rd of April, and senior advocate Niranjan Reddy appeared on behalf of the petitioners in this particular case. What I must point out is that Sunday is when this activity began. Over the weekend, the JCBs were brought in and there has been a lot of action on campus, and subsequently there have been petitions that have been filed asking for the court to intervene in this particular matter. In fact, KT Ramarao, BRS leader, and also the students of the university said that the government had very strategically chosen Saturday, Sunday, Monday, when there would be a break and the courts cannot be approached, in order to bring in the JCBs and start the felling activity, clearing of the land activity there. And they had said this was being done very strategically by the government, and the students had in fact even this morning tried to storm the cordon of the police going towards the east campus, and they had wanted to, no activity of the students allowed there, none of them allowed to enter in that particular area, and that is where Lathi Chad had also happened, and even the Teachers Association had taken out a rally, or tried to take out a rally from the Ambedkar Auditorium towards the east campus, and they were stopped. Subsequently, the Vice Chancellor did speak, saying that we won't allow even 1 inch of our land to go. He also said that biodiversity hotspot on the university campus will be preserved, but he also made a third important point, saying that while this land of 400 acres is contiguous with the university campus, he clarified that legally that land does not belong to the university, it belongs to the government. And what the government has said is that the name itself, Kancha Gachibowli, Kanche in Telugu actually means grazing, and what he has pointed out is that it is grazing land, that it is in that area, and it's not been in use, and therefore, of course, because it is contiguous with the 1500 acres or so that is part of the land of the university, and therefore there would be flora and fauna in that particular area. But the forest department, neither central nor state, has ever classified it as a forest land, and they are planning to take all possible precautions to ensure that the flora and fauna in that area is not disturbed. But yes, right now the High Court giving those orders, saying that the JCBs will not work tonight, so they will fall silent, and no clearing, no activity to take place from the time of the court orders, which happened about half hour ago, till tomorrow, when actually the court is going to be hearing this petition, which is asking for the intervention of the court to not allow the government to clear this land, and for the land to be developed, to be made into an IT park, because multiple sections, whether environmentalists or the students and the political parties backing the students, have been saying that this is ecologically fragile, that there are 272 species of birds and so on and so forth. Back to you.